Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Mercedes rear mirror. First, ensure you are seated comfortably in your usual driving position, as this is crucial for accurate mirror placement. Before touching the mirror, make sure your seat and steering wheel are perfectly set for your height and reach. Then, gently grasp the edges of the mirror, avoiding the reflective surface, to prepare for adjustment. Now, let's achieve the optimal view. Pivot the mirror so you can see the entire rear window from left to right, centered within the mirror's frame. The top edge of the mirror should ideally align with the top edge of your rear window, giving you a full vertical perspective. Finally, tilt the mirror up or down so the horizon line, or the middle of the road behind you, appears in the center of the mirror. Many Mercedes models come equipped with an automatic dimming feature for the rearview mirror. This clever system uses sensors to detect bright lights from vehicles behind you, automatically darkening the mirror to reduce glare and improve your night vision. To ensure it works correctly, always make sure the small sensor on the mirror's surface is not obstructed by stickers, air fresheners, or anything else. Before driving, perform a final safety check. Confirm you have a clear and unobstructed view of the road directly behind your vehicle. Remember to also properly adjust your side mirrors to minimize blind spots, working in conjunction with your rearview mirror. If you ever adjust your seat or steering wheel significantly, always take a moment to recheck and fine-tune your rear mirror for continued safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.